In this tutorial, I wanted to quickly show how to fix audio if it recorded in only one ear, as you can hear. Audio test. It's only on the left side. So first thing is you want to go to Window, go to Show in Workspace, and click on Audio Meters. And now it will show you that you only have your left side of audio working. Click on the audio, go up to the Audio Inspector, go to Mode, and click on Basic Surround. All you gotta do is just click right here in the middle. Audio test. And you'll see the audio is now evened out. You can also move things so it's more on the left. Bring it to about the middle. Should even it out. Audio test. Sometimes when you do this, your audio will also get more quiet since it's even out on both sides. So another setting you can click on is loudness and turn this up to whatever number. Audio test. This is without. Audio test. And this is with loudness at 100. Audio test. As you can see, it's about -20 without, and then once you add loudness, audio test is closer to -12. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it will help this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.